Hey everyone. Today I'm bringing you some feel-good stories that are guaranteed to put a smile on your face. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the story of an 8-year-old boy named Ryan. Ryan saw a news report about kids in Africa who didn't have clean water. So he decided to do something about it. With the help of his family and friends, Ryan started a fundraiser and managed to raise enough money to build a well in Uganda. Now, an entire village has access to clean water. Talk about making a difference. Next, let's talk about a group of high school students in Texas. These amazing teens noticed that some of their classmates couldn't afford lunch. Instead of just standing by, they started a secret lunch fund. Every week they pooled their own money together to make sure no one went hungry. It's these small acts of kindness that truly change lives. And then, there's the story of a bus driver named Reggie. One cold winter morning, Reggie noticed an elderly woman standing at the bus stop without a coat. Without hesitation, he took off his own jacket and gave it to her. When asked why he did it, Reggie simply said, "Everyone deserves to be warm." It's moments like these that restore our faith in humanity. Finally, I want to share the tale of a stray dog named Buddy. Buddy was found wandering the streets, clearly in need of help. A kind-hearted family took him in, and Buddy quickly became a beloved member of the family. But one day, Buddy returned the favor. He alerted his family to a fire in their home, saving their lives. Sometimes the ones we rescue end up rescuing us. These stories remind us that kindness knows no bounds. Whether it's a small gesture or a grand act, each one has the power to make the world a better place. So, go out there and spread some love. And if these stories made you smile, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.